Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Here's your daily dose of the latest headlines shaping the medical world on Friday, October 17th, 2025. We've got breakthroughs in lung disease, important drug safety updates, and new guidelines for a common digestive problem. The big news today comes from the European Medicines Agency, EMA, which has recommended the first ever treatment for a serious chronic lung condition called non-cystic fibrosis bronchiectasis. The new medicine is called Brinsupri, and its approval was fast-tracked because it addresses an urgent medical need. Clinical trials showed that Brinsupri significantly reduced and delayed pulmonary exacerbations in patients. This is a massive step forward for patients suffering from this debilitating disease. There's also promising news on the oncology front. At the European Society for Medical Oncology, ESMO Congress, SystImmune and Bristol Myers Squibb announced positive Phase 1 results for a new drug called Izabrin. This antibody-drug conjugate showed encouraging anti-tumor activity in patients with advanced solid tumors, including heavily pre-treated lung cancer. Izabrin has already received a breakthrough therapy designation from the FDA, suggesting its potential to become a key treatment for survivors of cancer. Switching gears to a more common health issue, new dietary guidelines have been released to help people with chronic constipation. Based on new recommendations from the British Dietetic Association, specific foods like kiwi fruit and supplements like probiotics are highlighted as effective ways to find relief. This offers more specific and helpful advice than the standard "eat more fiber" message, providing a clearer path for managing this common condition. It's not all positive news today. The EMA has confirmed the suspension of the sickle cell disease medicine Oxbryta, citing emerging safety data from recent trials. The review indicated a higher rate of death and disease complications, leading the committee to conclude that the drug's benefit-risk balance was no longer favorable. This shows the continuous, crucial oversight required to keep medicines safe for patients. The World Health Organization, WHO, has released its Global Antimicrobial Resistance (AMR) and Use Surveillance System (GLASS) report for 2025. The report provides a detailed global and regional analysis of antibiotic resistance, highlighting an ongoing threat to public health. This kind of surveillance is critical for tracking trends and guiding public health actions to combat the rising threat of drug-resistant bacteria. Birth month significantly influences the risk of severe RSV infections in children under 2 years of age in countries with a temperate climate and 4 annual seasons such as Denmark. Birth months of September through February are associated with significantly higher risks of being hospitalized with RSV infection. These insights should inform national RSV preventive strategies, including maternal vaccination and neonatal immunization with monoclonal antibodies in countries with similar climates to optimize timing and efficacy. Post-infectious bronchiolitis obliterans has been documented after several common viruses, such as adenoviruses, the respiratory syncytial virus, influenza, measles, and varicella. It has also been seen after Mycoplasma pneumonia infection. All of these microbes can cause a broad spectrum of acute bronchiolitis and pneumonia that normally resolves completely. Histopathological findings in patients with bronchiolitis. Obliterans suggest that the initial injury to the airway epithelium results in an abnormal host repair response, rather than normal epithelial regeneration. The exact pathophysiological mechanisms of this are unknown, but data from some lung biopsies have suggested that prolonged lymphocytic inflammation continues in the peribronchiolar tissue after the acute hit. This could indicate an immunological basis. Use the connection with your body to soothe your mind. Pick a body part, foot, leg, mouth, eyes, and tense it for a few seconds. Then release and relax for 10 seconds or so. Notice how that feels different. Switch to another part and keep going until you've done your whole body. This can also improve sleep and may even ease headaches and stomach aches. And that's your medical news recap for today. Let us know in the comments which story you found most interesting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another health update. We'll see you next time.